This is a very nice script. The website is good. The design is very good. It has all of the features you need to start up your trade, your crypto trading business. So it has a spot trading and it also has a P2P trading. From here, you can access the cryptocurrencies, the market. You can also switch it to light mode or dark mode. So please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, um watch the videos, like, comment, and subscribe. It's really going to help me. It's really going to help the YouTube algorithm to recommend my videos to other people who might also find it very interesting to them. So without wasting much time, let me show you how to install this Binance crypto trading platform um, on codecanyon. The current price is $199. So this software here is a very nice software that is going to serve your needs. As you can see here, it has a spot trading features. It has a P2P trading, a real-time order management, crypto and fiat currency manager, market and coin pair management, live currency data updates. Wow. Currency data provider, controller trading view chart, and so many of it, spot and funding wallets, so many features it has here. So I am going to show you how to install this. And please, in case when you get this script and you want to add some features to it, or you want to customize it to your own taste, I will be available to assist you to do that. Let's say you have gotten the script, and next what you need to do is, first you need to get a hosting and a domain name. You can get it from this platform here or any other platform of your choice. Why I like this very platform here is because they are very affordable, their services are very affordable, and you are never going to have any issues with them. So all you need to do is just create an account and then get hosting and domain name from them. And after then you log into your cPanel and then come to the root folder where you want to upload the site to, where you want to hold the site, the domain name. When you click on the domain name, you go to the root folder, the public HTML file folder, and then you upload the script there. So let's assume you don't want to upload the script on the root folder, you want to upload it on this folder. So what you need to do is to click on this folder here, and then you create a folder, create this folder, and then you create a folder just like I have done here. So because I'll be uploading this script on this very folder here. So let me open the folder. So as you can see, the folder is empty right now. This directory is empty. This is the folder en. So what I need to do right now is to upload the Binance crypto trading script. I will have to click on this upload. All right, click on select file, and then I'm going to select the Binance script. This is it, and then upload. So our file is uploading right now. We are done uploading the script, so I'll click on go back to, and then this is the script we uploaded. So I'm going to extract it. Our file is extracting. We are done extracting the file, the zipped file. So next thing we need to do is to click on this folder here, Vinance, and then highlight the whole folder and files in here, and then move it to the en folder. So let's go back. Yeah. So next thing we need to do is to visit this site link here. /en, and then to bring us to the installation page, we click on agree, and then next step. Here we need to grant permissions to these files and folders here. We need to grant permissions to them to 0755, sorry, to 0775. So to do that, first thing, they are all in core folder. So let's head over to core, bootstrap, catch, so change permissions to 775. Next one is storage, app framework logs, change permission to this, change permission to 775, change permission to 775, change permission to 775. So let's recheck. So as you can see, we have granted all permissions to the folders. Requirements check passed. So let's click on next step. Here, what we need to do right now is we need to create a database and then fill in the database details here. And to do that, we head over to our cPanel. In our cPanel, you look for databases section here, and then click on manage my databases to create your database table and the username. So yeah, let's name it Vinance, just Vinance, not Vinance. Okay, let's just name it Vinance. So let me copy this Vinance, paste it here. Then let's go back again. Then let's create a username for it. I'll give it a Vinance root, and then let's give it a password. Please remember, whenever you are creating your database username, make sure you make use of a very strong password. Why I used a less stronger password is because it's just a demonstration video. if you are creating a database, make sure you use a very strong password so that your database won't be hacked. So let's greet the user. We have created our database user, sorry. So let's add this user, the user we just created, let's add it to the database and also grant permissions to the database. Yeah, select all privileges. So yeah, I'm going to copy this database username, paste it here, Vinance. Yeah, this is the password, mega share, and then let's use admin. Let's use 1 2 3 4 5 6 as the password, and then let's use admin as the email. Then let's click on install now. So our script is installing right now. We are done installing our website. Your system has been installed successfully. Please delete the install folder from the server. Take this very serious. Once you are done installing your website, the script, you will head over to your file manager and then delete this very installation folder so that no one or someone can just tamper with your site by reinstalling the site again, thereby hacking into your website. So let's click on go to website and activate. So you're going to see the final result. So our website is loading right now. Our website is ready. This is the home page. So it's just almost as Binance. It has almost the same features with Binance, same features, same design. So next thing is for us to head over to the admin page to customize the website, and then you can change your logo and then add some other information you would like to add. Like here, there are no details here right now, the crypto and the fiat exchange, market cap and the rest. There are no options yet, so you will have to add all that from the admin dashboard. So let's head over to the admin dashboard and do that. As you can see, we are done installing, and this is a very nice script. The website is good. The design is very good. It has all of the features you need to start up your crypto trading business. So it has a spot trading and it also has a P2P trading. From here you can access the cryptocurrencies, the market. You can also switch it to light mode or dark mode. So let's head over to the admin dashboard and then configure our site. So there is no user yet. So again, first thing you need to do is to set up your cron job. So what you need to do is click on, as in copy the cron job link, and then head over to your cPanel. head over to your cPanel, and then over here you can configure your cron job. Click on cron jobs and then set it to once per minute. Then paste the link here and then click on add new cron job. So once you are done with that, first thing you need to first of all come to system settings here, click on general settings, add your site name, your site title, the time zone, currency symbol, currency, and the rest, and the color you want, and then click on submit. Then over here you can configure your payment gateways, your withdrawal methods, notification settings, logo and favicon, chat settings, wallet settings, and the rest. So here you can configure the currency data provider, whichever one you want. Do you want to make use of a coin market cap, or you want to make use of crypto compare? So currently it's being set to crypto compare. It's being set to crypto compare. So let's see how it goes. So to add your cryptocurrency list, you can either do it manually like this by typing in the currency name, this currency symbol, the sign, the price, the P2P number, then you upload the image. Then you can either highlight if you want the coin to be highlighted or not. You can choose yes or no, and then you submit, or you can do it automatically. Before then, you need to read through to understand these write-ups here. You can either import it automatically, then click on import and define okay. This simply means that the configuration is wrong, the API key is wrong, is not correct. So for you to be able to do that, you need to sign up on crypto compare and then get your API key and then paste it here. If you also want to make use of coin market cap, you can click on this, then get your API key and then paste it and then submit. Then you'll be able to import the cryptocurrencies automatically if you don't want to go through the steps of doing it manually. So over here you can manage the P2P. You can manage your P2P. Here you can manage your orders. Here you can manage the coin pair. That is after you might have imported the cryptocurrencies. So and so many of it. So it's a very nice script. Here you can manage your users. Currently there are no users yet. So it's a very nice website, and I will recommend you get it for yourself. And in case you need any configurations or you need to add any extra features to the website, I'll be available to assist you to do that.